Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the slope of the following pairs of points. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. The slope of a line refers to the inclination of that line or the steepness of the line. If I have a positive slope, then what that means is it is rising from your left to right. If I have a negative slope, then it is falling from your left to right. So therefore, the slope is negative. And if I have a slope that is horizontal, we say, if you do your calculations, the slope will be 0. And if I have a vertical line, we have the slope equal to infinity. So given the following ordered pairs of points, I'm going to show you how to calculate the slope, which is also your gradient of each set of points, and also to determine or describe the line. In the first example, we have the ordered points 2, 1, and then we have 4 and 5. The formula for finding the slope of a line or the gradient, m equals my change in y divided by my change in x. To start, I'm going to tag my values or my points. So I have x1 and y1. Always take note that your x1 and y1 are from one ordered pair, and then your x2 and your y2 are from the second ordered pair. So therefore, to calculate the gradient, I'm going to slot in the parameters. Y2 will be 5 minus y1 is 1 divided by, I have x2, that's 4, minus x1, that's 2. Therefore, my gradient m equals 5 minus 1, that's 4, divided by 4 minus 2, 2. Therefore, my gradient m equals to 4 divided by 2, that's 2. And because that is a positive value, we say the slope is rising or positive. In the second example, B, I have my ordered pairs of points. I have 1 and 0, and 3 and negative 5. The formula for finding the gradient of the points or the line given with the 2 points on that line, we have m equals the change in y, y2 minus y1, divided by my change in x, x2 minus x1. Before I start, I'm going to tag my points. I have x1, y1, x2, y2. Tagging the points makes it easy to do your substitution. So therefore, putting the values given, I have y2, that's negative 5, minus y1, y1 is 0, divided by, I have x2, which is 3, minus x1, that's 1. That will give me minus 5 minus 0, that's negative 5, divided by 3 minus 1, that's positive 2. So what that means is the value of my gradient is minus 5 over 2, and that means the slope is falling or negative. That is, it decreases from left to right. Let's look at the third example. In the third example, we have the ordered pair 2, 1 and 3 minus 3 and 1. So we're starting with the formula for finding the gradient of a line. That's m equals your change in y divided by my change in x. Then I go ahead to tag the ordered pair of points. I have x1, y1, and then I have my x2 and y2. Like I said earlier, that makes it easy for me to substitute my values. So I have y2, that's 1, minus y1, y1 is 1, divided by x2, that's negative 3, minus x1, that's 2. That is 1 minus 1, that's 0, divided by minus 3 minus 2, that's minus 5. Therefore, my gradient m equals to 0 divided by negative 5, that's 0. What that means is my slope is horizontal. That is, it's either on the x-axis or parallel to the x-axis. In the last example, I have points, or the ordered pair of points, -1, 2, and -1 and -5. Going through, writing the formula for the gradient, m is my change in y, that's y2 minus y1, divided by my change in x, x2 minus x1. Then I go ahead to tag my ordered pair of points. I have x1, y1, and x2, y2. The next step is to slot in my values. y2 is -5 minus y1, that's 2, divided by x1, that's -1, minus, I'm starting with x2, so x2 is -1 minus x1, that's also -1. If I simplify further, I have -5 minus 2, that's -7, divided by -1 minus -1, that's -1 plus 1, that's 0. Note that if you divide any number, therefore my m, by 0, it's undefined. And if my slope is undefined, what it means is my slope is vertical in nature, as shown. So a quick recap, we have a positive slope, as shown. We have a negative slope, then we have a slope that is 0, which is horizontal, and then we have a vertical slope, which is undefined. Thanks for watching. Bye.